Tuesday. Pew, pew, pew. I'm John.
Okay. I'm Brooke.
You want to do that again?
Yeah. Pew, pew, pew.
Pew, pew, pew.
Pew, pew, pew.
You're terrible at that.
This is my first try.
Brooke is from Minnesota. Did you guys know that? Brooke is from Minnesota, and the way she says bag or bagel is
Is correct, is what it is.
How do you say bag?
I don't want to talk about it, but it's correct.
If it's correct, then you
Okay, bag.
That's not how you say it.
Yes, it is.
No,
Bag.
she says
Bag.
Bag.
Bag and bagel.
Bagel.
Anyways.
Sorry. Anyway, so not making fun, just appreciating your accent. Welcome back. It is Tech Tuesday.
They're not wet, so it's not too.
Meow, meow, meow.
You say it's Tech Tuesday. Tech Tuesday.
It's Tech Tuesday.
Meow, meow, meow. Oh, Haley, we suck at it. Ready? We'll say it together.
Okay.
It's Tech Tuesday.
Meow, meow,
So welcome back. We're excited to talk to you about colloidal silica.
meow. In resistant fluorine. Resilient.
We're here to talk to you.
Oh man, this is going so well.
Oh, this is my favorite video yet. We're here to talk to you today about colloidal silica.
In resilient fluorine.
So, specifically for Tech Tuesday, we want to talk about two things. Which colloidal silicas to use, and
How to use them.
Brooke, is it really that tough?
No.
No.
No. John
Wow.
asked the question, how do you use it? And I'm like looking at him like he's crazy. I'm like, pour it in?
Valid.
Yeah.
Valid. So, the type of colloidal silica, standard colloidal silica, anything from your 3 to 5 nanometers, 3 to 100 nanometers, or your narrow distributions through that ranges, really can't go wrong. The place where I would say to stay away from is companies that have a colloidal silica dispersion or claim to have a colloidal silica dispersion, and it's a really high pH. Again, it's not tough to use colloidal silica for this end result to get your resilient fluorines on the concrete. Brooke will explain that here in a second in precise detail. But what is tough is choosing the right one, and I really think it's pH driven. Our biggest concern, what's our two concerns when we're dealing with resilient coatings, Brooke?
Water.
Water, moisture.
Yeah, moisture.
She's brilliant.
Yeah. And time. Salt would be the other one. Brilliant.
Duh. So our resilient glue, or our glues meant for resilient floors, are often water-based and very moisture-sensitive and alkali-sensitive. And of course, our vinyl tiles, they're not the lovely asbestos tiles that we had of old. And really, we don't talk about those. Those asbestos tiles were great because they were breathable. The vinyl tiles that we have right now, they kind of lock in moisture. So if you get moisture in the salts underneath the tiles, that glue just breaks down. So if anything, the one thing I would be concerned about when using colloidal silica is staying away from those higher pH versions. Hey baby.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. I just have a question.
Okay, Brooke, do you want to talk about, and I'll go.
Sure.
Yeah,
We'd
say it.
love to. We'd love to. So the question was, how do you use it? And the reason I was confused is because it is so easy. All you do is mix it into.
If you have any questions, I'll be over here.
Okay, thanks, John. Is mix it into the fresh properties when you are doing the mix, and specifically at the end. So the sequencing is important that it goes in at the end, but again, you just add the wet mix, or add it into the wet mix. So easy as that. John.
That was it. I
That's
mean, what else is there left to say?
I don't know.
Do you with the smile on your face?
I think so.
Yeah. There you go. Well, thanks for joining us today.
Go concrete.
Beat asphalt!